Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 2 divided 4 divided 8 divided 16. So many people fail to solve this. This looks simple still because they did not take a right approach. They solve it like this: 2 divided by 4 divided 8 divided by 16, 2 divided by 4 as 1 by 2, divided 8 divided by 16 as 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 1. It is the wrong answer. When you have given same operator multiple times, then you have to solve it two terms at a time. So how? So first we'll take first two terms, that is 2 divided by 4. Now rewrite the left out terms. 2 divided by 4 is, we know that it's 1 by 2 divided 8 divided by 16. So first you should know that there is a difference between 1 by 2 divided by 8 and 1 by 2 multiplied by 8. In this case, the answer is 4, but in this case, the answer is 4 is wrong, because when you have given 1 by 2 divided by 8, then you have to follow KCF rule, which says that keep, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So it's 8 by 1 becomes 1 by 8. Now rewrite the left out term. So it becomes 1 by 16 divided by 16. Again, there is a division sign, not multiplication sign. If you cancel out, your answer is 1, which is wrong. But we have to follow KCF rule. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol, and flip the right hand. So it becomes 1 by 256. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 256. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.